Today another video is brought to you by Everyday Tech for today. Before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and until next week, so you get notified every single time we post a new video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button. It will encourage us to make more videos for you. Before we'll move any further, I want to let you know about Liquid 1V. If you are an active person, or you live in a dry climate, it is vital that you maintain your hydration. Unfortunately, most people do not get enough fluids during the day. Their mission is to change the world by providing the best product. Only one stick and you will feel a multiply in your hydration, energy and immune support. Liquid IV have donated over 9M sticks worldwide with 30k positive reviews. The link to purchase Liquid 1V is in the description, and for 25% discount use the code EverydayTech for today. Today, our topic is the Motorola Moto G10. Here are its features. Meet Moto G10. You want to explore more? You got it. Capture sharper, brighter photos in any light and from any angle using the 48MP camera system. Then, feel the freedom of going over 2 days on a single charge. Stunning in every situation. Capture the moment in any light, and from any angle. A 48MP quad camera system gives you the perfect lens for the perfect shot, every time. Low light? No problem. Quad pixel technology, a 48MP sensor, and night vision mode all work together to make sure your shots turn out great, even when the lighting isn't. Fit 4x more in the frame. And 118 degrees ultra-wide angle lens lets you capture what your eyes see, fitting 4x more in the frame compared to a standard 78 lens. Explore up close. The dedicated macro vision camera brings you 4x closer, so you see the tiny details you'd miss using a standard lens. Get super close on nature shots or miniature details to capture it all. Keep your focus. Turn your everyday photos into professional-looking portraits. Blur the background automatically and then easily adjust the intensity level. Make it pop. Use color in a totally unique way. Pick one color to keep, and then turn everything else in the photo black and white. Everyone looks their best. Taking group photos just got way easier. The camera analyzes who's in the frame and automatically snaps a photo when everyone is smiling. Bring photos to life. Break the boundaries of photo and video. Keep a portion of your shot in motion while freezing everything else for a unique effect. Show when to shoot. Tell the camera when you're ready for a selfie. With Gesture Selfie, make a simple open palm gesture to trigger a countdown timer, then the camera captures an image automatically. Smarter Pics, scene by scene. Powered by artificial intelligence, shot optimization selects the right mode or camera settings depending on your shooting scene, so you always get the perfect photo. Zoom in, clear up. Automatically restore the details and clarity of an image that are typically lost with digital zooming. Over 2 days of battery. Live your life without worrying about battery life. The 5000 mAh battery gives you over 2 days on a single charge. Stream music for 186 hours, video for 20 hours, or browse for 17 hours. Room for all you need. Never give storage a second thought. With 64 or 128 gigabytes built in, you have tons of room for photos, films, songs, apps, and games. And you can always add up to 512 gigabytes more using a micro SD card. Smarter performance. Smarter phone. A Qualcomm Snapdragon Octa-core processor boosts performance, enabling faster responses and graphics to render crazy fast. Plus, everyday experiences like taking photos or using the Google Assistant feel way more intuitive. Stretch your view. Bring your photos, films, games, and video chats to life on an ultra-wide 6.5 Max Vision HD Plus screen. A 20:9 aspect ratio and a bigger screen-to-body proportion means nothing gets in the way of your favorite entertainment. More features you'll love. Protect what matters. Safeguard your data from malware, phishing and other threats with ThinkShield for mobile. Comprehensive hardware and software security makes sure your personal data is better protected. Your phone exactly how you want it. With my UX, your phone works the way you want. Control it with simple gestures. Customize your entertainment settings and create a look that's unique to just you. Water repellent, worry-proof. Never let spills or splashes get in your way. A water repellent design keeps your phone protected inside and out. Tap to pay, tap to share. Simply hold your phone near an NFC terminal to make fast and secure purchases at the store. Also wirelessly share content like contacts, pictures and videos. Specification. Model name. Motorola G10, wireless carrier. Unlocked for all carriers. Brand. Motorola. Form factor. Bar. Operating system. Android 11. Memory storage capacity. 64 GB. Memory. RAM. 4 GB. Color. Aurora Gray. Cellular technology. 4G. Sensors. Fingerprint reader, proximity sensor, accelerometer, ambient light sensor, gyroscope, SAR sensor. SIM card slot count. Dual SIM. Screen size. 6.52 inches. Connectivity. Bluetooth 5.0. In the box. Device Moto G10. Components: headset protective cover. Charger, USB Type-C cable, guides, SIM tool. Me equals 0.5s. Greater than